Shri Bhagwati presents Semi-Automatic Powder Filling and Capping Machine. A semi-automatic powder filling machine is a piece of equipment used in various industries to fill containers with powdered substances in a semi-automated manner. This type of machine is commonly employed in industries such as pharmaceuticals, food and beverage, cosmetics, and chemicals. Semi-automatic powder filling machines are often chosen when the production volume doesn't justify a fully automated system or when a certain level of manual control and precision is required in the filling process. It's important to note that different models of semi-automatic powder filling machines may have variations in their features and operation. Always refer to the specific machine's manual and guidelines for proper usage and maintenance. A semi-automatic capping machine is a piece of equipment designed to automate the process of applying caps or lids to containers in a semi-automated manner. These machines are commonly used in various industries such as food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and chemicals. Semi-automatic capping machines are suitable for scenarios where the production volume does not justify a fully automated system, or where a certain level of manual control is desired in the capping process. Different models of semi-automatic capping machines may have variations in features, such as the type of caps they can handle, torque adjustment options, and the level of operator involvement in the process. As with any machinery, it's crucial to follow the specific guidelines provided by the manufacturer for proper usage, maintenance, and safety precautions. If you have specific questions or need more detailed information about semi-automatic powder filling machines and semi-automatic capping machine, feel free to provide more details. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.